Hello, Hawks. So today we're going to do a fun activity that you guys really enjoy, and it's called gesture drawing. So gesture drawings is something that's been around for a long time. Artists use it as a way to practice drawing figures really fast. So I've got this PowerPoint with some different examples that I found online so that you can kind of see the different styles. So gesture drawings are a quick way for artists to practice drawing the human form. And there are some examples there that you see. One thing you will notice on all of these is that they are very sort of generic. In other words, it's not showing clothing, there's no hair, there are no facial features. It is focusing on the lines of the body. Okay, it's sort of like, I know we just finished drawing the little mannequin in the room. It's basically as if you were drawing a person in real life, but pretending they were the mannequin, essentially. And that's definitely what this example looks like right here. Each artist has their own style of gesture drawing. Some are kind of rough and sketchy, like this example here. Some are loose and more broad in their strokes. Okay, so like this example here. But the primary focus is capture the lines, I said that a moment ago, of the figure and express the implied movement. So it should be obvious whatever action they're doing, whether they're, like in this one, it looks like some of them are stretching, or maybe they're dancing, or maybe he looks like he might be fishing. I don't know. It just depends on whatever it is they're doing, but you should be able to tell that there's some kind of movement going on with the body. Gesture drawings can be used as a building block in creating more detailed drawings as well. So this is showing, it's going from a very simple, almost like a stick figure, and then showing how if you start slowly building that up, adding circles and things, kind of like you're making it into one of those little wooden mannequins, and then you can end up with your finished drawing. And then on this slide, I'm asking if you can tell what the figures are doing. Can you tell what they're doing? They're doing ballet. They're dancing ballet. So that's what those figures are doing. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to have you all volunteer, and you're going to take turns modeling for the class. We'll start off with it about 2 minutes. I use a timer, and you are going to practice doing these gesture drawings. Remember, they have no details, and you are going to draw, whoever's posing, you're going to do a gesture drawing, and then the more we do, the less time you're going to have to do them. I'm going to shorten the amount of time to where at the end, you're only going to have maybe a minute to capture whatever they're doing. And so sometimes I'll let you all do it in pairs, and maybe you're posing as someone playing a sport, taekwondo, ballet. You could do ballet, baseball, all kinds of things. Maybe you are bow and arrow, just all sorts of things. The sky's the limit. Okay, so we're just going to spend today practicing doing this. We're going to have a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.